survivors. We are the lucky ones. We are the sole providers. We show you how it's done. We got this fire started, hotter than the sun. We are the love survivors.
Hi everyone, Teacher Jane. Today I'm with First, our GED student. He's doing homeschool with the buddy, and today I will discuss with him on specific topic. But before we discuss, let him introduce himself first.
Hello, my name is Nasipat Akara Nitiskun. My nickname is First, and I am 15 years old.
15 years old. Okay, so I'm gonna begin now. I would like to discuss on the topic related to leader. Do you have any idea of the country leader?
Every country has its own leader, and some country have a president.
Mm-hmm. And how about Thailand? What Thailand has?
ประยุทธ์
I mean, like, what does it called? A leader of our country?
Prime Minister.
Prime Minister, yes. So, do you think country need leader? Each
Yes.
leader is important?
Yes, important
Why?
because Prime Minister help to solve financial and poverty.
Poverty, yes, poverty. So, to help solve financial and poverty. And now I would like to ask you the question that if you were Prime Minister, what would you do?
Firstly, I will international trade. Second, I will do more business with China.
Okay, you will do more business with China, so you will improve, right?
Yes.
Improve international trade system and do more business with China. Why China?
Because product from China better price.
Yes, because better price is mean that you can sell cheap in Thailand, right? Okay, what else that you want to do if you are Prime Minister?
I will reduce the crime.
Yeah, because there is a lot
of my country.
a lot of crime in
my country.
Yes. Okay, and how you gonna reduce that?
I will let technician
Mm-hmm.
to install the CCTV.
CCTV. So you will install CCTV everywhere.
Tourist place.
Okay, tourist place because we have a lot of crime with tourists,
Yeah.
and that is very bad to our country, right? Okay, and what else that you're gonna do? Anything about you told me some things about elderly.
Yes. I will let the kung fu master.
Training. Yeah, so like kung fu training for free
Yes, free.
for elderly.
Yes.
Yeah, so then they become more.
Protect themselves.
Okay, right. So that's what you're gonna do if you are Prime Minister. And do you have anything else to say before we finish discussion?
Maybe.
No, you don't have anything.
Yes.
But you still think leader is important to the
Yes,
country.
important.
Okay, so I wish I would have a leader like you in the future. Okay, so we say goodbye.